Everyone, my name is Chandu and my teammate is Vamsi Chinnala. Today we are going to discuss about ice makers. What is ice? Ice that has solidified from water is a rock. Depending on the presence of impurities like sand or air bubbles, it may appear translucent or less thick blue-white. What is ice and snow? Snowfall is little more than the frozen air vapor that falls as little snowflakes on land throughout the winter, whereas ice is simply a liquid that has been frozen. Working principle of ice makers. The four essential components of all refrigeration equipment are the evaporator, condenser, compressor, and throttle valve. In ice makers, vapor with low pressure is converted to high pressure vapor by the condenser, and it will be turned into a high pressure liquid and it transferred to a throttle valve, released as the low pressure liquid. Here the liquid will be sent to the evaporator and heat will be exchanged and ice is formed. This is how all four components work in all refrigerants. Ice makers are divided into industrial and consumer ice makers. Industrial ice makers are with flake ice machine, cube ice maker, tube ice generator. Consumer ice makers, freezer ice makers, portable ice makers, built-in and freestanding ice makers.
Out of all, we will discuss about Cube Ice Maker, and the image of Cube Ice Maker is shown in this slide. Cube ice makers. Cube ice makers are also called small ice machines. The capacity of the ice machine can be 55 lbs to 4000 lbs depending upon the usage. It is discovered in 1971 and joined the group of ice machine family. There are a few disadvantages to ice makers. Every 2 times a year has to be cleaned by the technician. If not, bacteria or viruses will be formed and spoil the machine. Usually, ice maker machines are costly and it is not affordable to buy in a single turn, and it is helpful to purchase in longer periods. The least price of an ice maker is $100 and it's quite affordable for minor use only. And the highest price is estimated up to $4,000. It is based on the productivity requirement and production. As compared with the above prices, the price should be below $100 makes available to every individual. There are a few improvements for the ice makers. Both industrial and commercial ice makers should be affordable with low pricing. The quality of build material should be increased so that we can avoid bacteria and viruses, which may be harmful to our healthy immune system. Ice produced should be shuttered off automatically every week, which makes fresh ice. Usage in daily life. Every refrigerator in a house has an ice maker. We have seen in hotels, restaurants, and commercial stores used to keep cold beverages. The main goal is to keep food fresher for longer. Thank you all.